Congratulations ninyong duha ni Adeline. Hinaut unta nga magmalinawon inyong pagpuyo niya magsinaptanay mo kanunay ug naa may mga problema masulbad ninyong duha. Usbon ko, congratulations.
Hey, thank you.
I am fully convinced that it is God's will for me to marry you. I make a commitment to you today before God Almighty and before all these people to become your wife and help me.
I am fully convinced that is it God's will for me to marry you. I make a commitment to you today in the presence of the Lord and before all of these witnesses to love you with an unconditional love.
Loh,
Hi.
tidak pun. Kapam ka?
Bapak po kayo.
Okay.
Papayarin niyo, sir.
Number study. Mana ni? Okay na, wait. Love you.
Ayo.
Ayo, okay na.
It's the way you always lead me through the fire and flood.
Congrats on your wedding. Best wishes for both of you.
Breaks the silence.
Buwan naman kasabay. Ay, nagbalik. Hindi ako kanang minyo naman ka, tapos di na ka maano mo, di na ka nasabay nga mag sige, jag ka nang support gyapon ka na mo. Nga. Hatag gyapon kag baon yun mo ni. Tas kanang supportahan niyo po nimo si mama ug papa. Please hug.
It's the way you always find me. Oh, you see my wandering heart. Your light shines through the darkness, and I will respond.
Hala. Nandiyan na kagabi. Hala.
Hi, Bebo. This is it. Mao nag-give ni na day. Look, parang magintang.
May this gift symbolizes our unending tune towards a Christ-centered marriage and our enjoyment to the melodies of life.
Happy 80th anniversary, Bebo. See you later. I love you.
It's the way you walk beside me. Even when I was a child, you wrapped your arms around me, and I will respond. Oh my
shopping, ningsod na ka sa kingdom of marriage. Nya, kanang be patient. So, kung nag-ilak, be patient. Nya, kanang above all, God ang center sa inyong relationship. Hindi na ko.
Into the light we come with open arms and open hearts.
By the authority vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines to solemnize marriage and as a minister of the gospel, I now pronounce them husband and wife. Aljun, you may now kiss your wife.